herself in the character. So that was really a big help to us. You get to see her face the character.
Nagtanong ako kay Adolf kung ano yung gusto niyang character, background, nag-meeting kami. Yun lang naman. And then I created Pam. And essentially, hopefully every scene I was Pam. Ang dami lang eksena na nag-breakdown, pero hindi, there was a certain, pag hindi namin ako ay gusto namin, uulitin namin, uulitin. So, actually maganda siyang training ground din for me.
For the role of Rico, I think that was also very difficult because crucial yung character ni Rico. Parang people need to fall in love with Rico. When he met Pam, parang he courted her and then he went to Batanes with her. As you go along with Isa's character, you also understand why she acts that way.
Bali ako si Rico, ako yung husband ni Pam. Ako yung na-meet niya sa Manila, and then isa akong Ibatan na mangingisda.
Si Joem kasi nag-reading lang kami, so yun lang ang alam ko sa kanya. So talagang nung simula, I was really trying to build very good chemistry with him kasi talagang gusto ko mukha kaming in love.
When we asked him back for a contract,
for a reading with Isa, we saw the potential na kaya niya to play Isa's partner.
Especially dahil, ang dami kong eksena na siya yung naaalala ko.
We had young actors mostly.
Hello, ako po si Sid Lucero. Nandito kami sa set ng Batanes. Ang role ko po dito ay si Manuel. At siya yung pinsan ni Rico na sikreto yung umiibig kay Pam. Ayan. At kapatid ko si Melanie na ikakasal ngayon.
I play the role of Melanie, yung kaso ni Joem. Pangalan niya dito, Rico. Tapos, ako yung isa sa mga pinaka-close na tao kay Pam.
Ito si Noel, kaibigan ko po si Coco Martin dito, pati si Joem. At magiging asawa ko po dito si Liza, who is Melanie.
Ako po si Coco Martin. Ang role ko po dito is si Jason po. Bali ako yung best friend dito ni Rico.
To balance it off, we got parang yung reliable actors, si Sir Bembol Rocco, si Miss Daya Ramirez, si Julio Diaz, at si Miss Alep de la Cruz, who's also a very good theater actress.
Ako si Mang Boy, father ni Rico dito sa story.
Anak ko naman dito si Joem. This is my very, very first indie.
Ako si Gloria, kapatid ni Lucia, na ang ginagamit na artista ay si Miss Daria Ramirez.
Maraming kakaibang experiences dito eh. May kahirapan ng konti, pero masaya kasi sama-sama kami.
Bembol's character, meron silang preconceived notion of what a Taiwanese is. Maganda yung dynamics between Ken and Bembol because that adds up to how the Ibatans would actually feel if they see a Taiwanese.
Actually, shooting in Batanes is a logistical nightmare. Kasi Batanes is the first 35mm commercial feature film to be shot fully in Batanes. So, we have to bring all equipment, staff to Batanes.
Logistically, it was quite hard, especially for the actors. But the set is pretty small. For a set that's pretty small, it's pretty complicated.
I didn't expect Batanes to be so beautiful, so it is actually, you can call the place a paradise actually. And I've never realized there's such a place so beautiful and it's so near to Taiwan. It was a surprise, when I came in and find out that the people here are really nice, friendly, and it's very heartwarming, working with them. They make me feel like at home every day.
Si Ken, actually, sobrang talaga, nakabahan ako. Kasi sabi ko, Lord, kung di man yung sobrang magkasundo, sana man lang yung civil siya or polite, yung ganyan. We got more than what we bargained for. Considering he is a superstar in Asia, level-headed pa rin siya.
It was cool, she's really nice, just a few chat and then we have become good friends, and we both enjoy a lot of things in common. We both love eating, and we both love traveling around.
Bukod sa kwentuhan, asaran, mahilig siyang mang-asar, Tai Chi, tinuturuan niya ako.
Bembo, I call him Uncle Ben. He's the coolest guy I've ever seen.
Very cool. I have to pay it forward. I have nothing bad to say at all.
Sid is a funny guy. He's always trying to spar. So we've been playing around for a while. It's fun with him.
At first, nahiya ako sa kanya nung una. Pero cool siya eh. Okay siyang kasama, okay siyang kausap.
At first, syempre hindi ko siya gano'n nakakausap. Pero ngayon nakakapag-usap na kami. Okay siya, sobrang cool din. Actually, halos kasing ugali namin siya, makulit din. Simula lang hindi, pero sa totoo lang makulit si Ken.
Tongue-tied ako, talagang speechless ako when I saw him, na talagang I didn't even know na he's that humble. At marunong siyang makisama sa ating mga Pilipino, pati mga pagkain, wala siyang pinipili, kinakain niya lahat.
The people that I worked with, talagang masasabi kong very good actors. At talagang karespeto, lalo na yung mga veterans na nakasama natin. Marami ako natutunan sa kanya.
I like the crew because I think they have a very positive attitude towards the work and towards the lifestyle. But all they have is a karaoke machine. Here, you just start. You just start with the beginning of a song, and people will continue, and it's fun. And every time, you know, I act surprised to this, they will say, "Welcome to the Philippines." I guess that's the Philippine spirit.
Yung samahan, yung cast, crew, lahat, staff, actors.
We have fun each day, every single day.
With this project, I feel that I am very much satisfied and very happy.
I think this is the most unforgettable experience that I've had, because every day in Batanes is just so relaxing, and it's very hard to describe the feeling. I just love that place.
Imbitahan ko po kayong lahat na manood ng Batanes.
To all my fans in the Philippines, this movie, The Batanes, is going to be aired on early December, and I do hope all of you can enjoy the movie. This is my first project in the Philippines, and I have done my best inside, so I hope you enjoy the movie too. Thank you.